Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are like me, you love shopping on AliExpress but you aren't a fan of constant email notifications filling up your inbox. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop AliExpress emails right from your smartphone. It's a very quick and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the AliExpress app if you haven't already. Once you download it, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure you are already logged in with your account. Next up, you need to go to your account section. Here you can see the account icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. In your account space, you need to go to the settings. You can see the settings icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. In the settings menu, you can see the option notification settings. Tap on it. Here you have two options. Choose email subscriptions. In this page, you can customize which emails you want to receive. If you want to stop all emails from AliExpress, you can simply disable all these options. If you still want to receive some notifications, then you can choose accordingly. But for now, in order to stop the email from AliExpress, here you can see the auto updates option at the last. Simply disable this. It will ask you if you really want to unsubscribe the emails from AliExpress, so tap on yes. And there you go, you've successfully stopped AliExpress to send emails to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.